What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Row Access. I told you guys that I would be bringing you along on the journey to get my truck built as part of this whole shebang and becoming a rig welder. So today I'm on the way over to Revelation Steel in Greeley, Colorado to pick up some stuff. I quoted around on a bunch of places around here and they turned out to be the best priced. So if you're in the market for building a welding bed and you're in this area, I would definitely reach out to them. John Kuntz there is the guy that's been doing my quoting and stuff for me. I've changed a couple different things and decided if I was trying to do, you know, like this size or that size or anyway, but the total material for everything that I need to build the deck and the frame has come out to like 629 bucks, and the bed sides I paid 500 bucks for, and I still got to order the fenders tonight. I've got probably 400 or so dollars, I think, in the lighting. I'm gonna put linear actuators on my doors for my boxes because I just feel like being fancy. So shout out to Rob Coakley for that idea. He's a local rig welder here. I checked his truck out, you know, a couple months ago, and he showed me that, and I decided that's what I wanted to do on mine too. So I'm going straight to slick with my rig. But we're headed over to Revelation from Home Depot right now, picking up some odd and ends. So let's head over there. All right, Revelation Steel. Pull up and go pay, and then we'll drive around back and get loaded. I really do love this place, Revelation Steel. There's their phone number. They do have a website. It's like revelationsteel.com or something like that. Jeez, camera, I'm freaking out. I do have my dog with me. She's about to be mad because I'm putting the windows up. Get your nose in. Come say hi. 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 Anyway, gonna go in here, pay up. I have hustled enough money in cash in the last couple of weeks between side jobs and selling some odds and ends to go pay cash. So the exciting part about this journey is that I've been able to pay for most everything in cash up front. Haven't had to finance anything. I did make payments on my welding machine. Still making payments. Almost done. But as far as like my truck, obviously that's financed, but as everything else goes, you know, I've been super fortunate. So yeah, let's go in here and pay. Last couple days with the bed. Can I have some of those hinges, or is it too late?
On a whole nother invoice.
Okay, what is it? You said 6?
We can do it if you want. No?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This one's $628.99.
20. I'm just wanting to get rid of all this cash. I don't need the penny. Take our ticket, round back, and go get loaded. Hi. All right, so take 2. They ran us off. Evidently, the PO got shuffled around. So we went to Home Depot again, bought some other crap, some blades for the chop saw, then went to General Air, and they got me today. Bought a torch hose, some clear lenses, some cutoff discs, and now we're pretty much ready to rock and roll on the bed build. So, as soon as we get our space back in here, back at Bay 2, we will get loaded up. Wally's actually headed out to the yard right now, so I'm gonna drive up there right now and then go drop it off. And yeah, we'll be able to get started later this week.